Good morning. It's a great day at the home office. I'm Director Cole.
Hi, my name is Marie Borman. I'm the Director of HR here in our home office. We support 14 Aviation Institute of Maintenance schools, as well as 5 Centura College schools, and of course, our Tidewater Tech Trade School. Our critical and most essential asset in this company are our employees. So we are very proud of our ability to be able to attract really creative and really passionate people to fill the positions that we have in order for us to serve our students.
Helping students change their lives. When I wake up in the morning, I'm ready to come to work. I'm ready to go help change people's lives.
And I'm able to help them out, help them to believe in themselves.
So we want to give them the skill sets to do their job. So we are the foundation.
We assist students with getting into new careers, but it starts off with the hands-on training.
I'm going to do the best I can for my students.
I love seeing the satisfaction of the students.
Working with the students is probably the most rewarding of all.
I'm a people person, so I love the class.
The culture here is very family, very caring.
So when the opportunity came that I could come and work for CVAB, I hopped on it. From the moment I walked in, I felt like I was at home.
I've never been somewhere where we care so much about everybody.
We all work together as a team. When I first started working here, everybody's been nice.
We truly have a passion for what we do here. My staff, myself, we love coming to work every day.
It's really nice that we all get along, we uplift and support one another.
Coming in here has been one of the smoothest transitions I've had.
It's fun, it's family oriented. A lot of times you hear this thing going off all day long.
It's just great. It doesn't feel like I'm coming to work every day. It feels like I'm coming to my second family outside of, my house one.
I try not to get emotional because I really love this company. This has probably been the best company I've ever worked in.
Here at Tidewater Tech, they treated me like family, and it was seamless.
Everybody's pretty close-knit. I mean, staff members, people swing by all the time, just check in and say, hey, how's it going, Mr. Hill?
We definitely do a good job of creating a family work environment. It's always good laughs and good times, and everyone's willing to give a helping hand.
I like the whole place. Everybody's here is nice.
You definitely have a sense of unity.
So I've been here about a couple months. They've been open arms. Everybody is willing to show you something and teach you something, and that makes us better instructors overall.
We all help each other. Every department is really linked to the other, so there isn't really any standalone. We all assist each other.
There's not a dull moment when you come to work, and much like a family.
I feel at home here, so that's why I like doing what I do.
Whether you're looking to work on campus, whether you're looking to work at the home office, they're both excellent.
No one gets left behind here. Everyone is given a chance.
I love just the open door policy and the transparency with the company. There's not many institutions that want to promote from within and at such a quick rate and listen to what you have to say. And if it's a great idea, then it gets implemented.
We have the ability to move from department to department and cross-train. The sky is essentially the limit here.
We're a big enough company where we still have great benefits like 401k and health benefits, things of that nature. However, we're still small enough to have that kind of mom and pop feel and be very family oriented.
It's just something that I absolutely love, and it makes you want to come to work every single day.
I love Tidewater Tech. I hope to stay here for maybe another 2 to 3 years, and maybe I'll retire again.
This is a great company to work for. I've been here for 10 years.
I look forward to just continuing to see where it goes from here. I'm continuing to work with a pretty amazing company.
I want to show them a friendly smile, let them know that our workplace is a friendly environment.
When you walk in through these doors, we take you in as family, and whatever you need to get to the end, we will get you there. Don't hesitate, don't doubt yourself. We got your back.